We're about to see कि किसकी मर्जी क्या रहेगी, because this is the round in which teams choose a subject on which they want to be quizzed.
क्योंकि हर सही जवाब के लिए आपको मिलते हैं 20 points. If you get all 3 correct, well, not almost, you stand to win 100 points. This is really a very important round. Tables can absolutely turn over here. हम आपको एक grid दिखाएंगे जहाँ पे 8 subjects होंगे. सबसे पहले जो choice हम देंगे to the team that is the lowest scoring team, so we can even things out. तो हम शुरू करते हैं KIET से.
We choose Indian TV.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं. In which sitcom that ran for only 1 season did Madhusudan, Phupa and Dushyant appear on a regular basis?
Sarabhai versus Sarabhai.
Correct. Which hit TV show that went on air in 1984 is this one? This is an audio-visual question.
बंदा भी तैयार है।
नाश्ते का नाम सुनाओ।
दीदी आज तो कोई खास चीज बनी होगी नाश्ते में।
पहले मुंह धोकर आओ।
शेरों ने कभी मुंह धोए हैं?
पहले मुंह धोकर आओ।
ये जो है जिंदगी।
That is absolutely correct. Well done, KIET. Here is your third question in Meri Marzi.
No pressure. Take it easy. This one is just worth more than the other 2 combined.
Who played the role of Ram in Ramanand Sagar's Ramayana?
Anup Govil.
That's not the correct answer. Anup Govil is not correct, I'm afraid.
The correct answer is Arun Govil. 40 points at the end of your 3 questions.
The next team is Motilal Nehru NIT, MNNIT, Allahabad. What do you choose?
We go for Rahman.
The first question is, which educational institute of higher learning was founded by A.R. Rahman in 2008?
Madras Institute of Music.
The Madras Institute of Music is not the correct answer, NIT. The correct answer there is the KM Music Conservatory. We're going to show you a short little film and then ask you the accompanying question. You have to tell me the name of the composer whose original work was used by Rahman as the base for this memorable composition.
Is that Beethoven's symphony?
Beethoven. That's not the correct answer. You know what Rahman is sometimes called? The Mozart of Madras, and he may be called that actually because he's used Mozart's Symphony number 25 to create this memorable ad jingle. Rahman has done music for a lot of films in his career, but you have to tell me for which 2003 Chinese film did Rahman score the music?
The Forbidden Kingdom.
The Forbidden Kingdom is not the correct answer again. Warriors of Heaven and Earth. Unfortunately, not getting any points on their chosen subject. Maybe not the best choice of subjects.
RML, what is your choice?
We will go for POTUS.
RML, your first question on your chosen subject, Presidents of the United States, is: who was the first American president to follow his father to the White House?
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
I'm afraid that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is John Quincy Adams. This is an audio-visual question, so take a look at what's happening on the screen.
But the greatest marvel is not the size of the enterprise, its secrecy, or its cost, but the achievement of scientific brains in making it work.
Okay, the question is, who is this and what important announcement is he making?
The person is Harry Truman, President Harry Truman, and he's announcing the successful test of nuclear bomb.
So you got half the answer correct there, but so you get half the points, and therefore you don't get the bonus because you've lost out on the chance for the bonus points, the 40-point bonus. So instead of 20 points, you get 10 points for this.
Here is your third question of Meri Marzi. If Andrew Johnson succeeded Lincoln, who succeeded Kennedy?
Lyndon B. Johnson.
And that answer is absolutely correct. You win yourself another 20 points. And now we move on to the last team of this round.
which is IIT BHU. Boys, what do you want to be quizzed on?
We'll choose Act of God.
Here's your set of 3 questions. The first one, what name is given to a swirling column of high-speed winds that connects the surface of a water body to a cloud above, normally a cumulonimbus cloud?
Mali.
No, Mali is not the correct answer. Mali sounds like an African country. The correct answer there is a water spout. Your next question is a video clip. Take a look at what we have in store for you and tell me, in which country did this volcano erupt, leading to a massive disruption of air traffic over Europe in 2010?
Is it Italy?
Italy. No, it isn't Italy. Eyjafjallajökull, or however they pronounce it in Iceland. Third question coming up for you. You can pick up 20 points now in this round. If the Northern Lights, IIT BHU, are known as Aurora Borealis, then what name is given to the Southern Lights?
Aurora Australis.
It's absolutely correct.
And at the end of Meri Marzi, let's take a look at what the scores are looking like. Team NIT Allahabad, MNNIT as it's popularly known, at 10. You have IIT BHU at 40 with that last guess which worked in their favor. And we have 2 teams at 50 points apiece, that's RML and KIET.